With North Elementary having been built originally in the early 60s and an addition being done in the late 1990s, it was just time for a refresh. We put in new carpet and they painted our walls and they gave us new windows and lighting and technology, and it is just transformed into a beautiful space for learning for kids.
I think it's really helpful having a lot more room in this school. It's fun having more colors in the school, like the carpet having different colors and the walls. It just felt like the school was a lot bigger and a little more updated.
I like the pace room, and I also like where my mom is because there's a sensory room there I can play in. And I also like how the playground is. I love it.
The added front vestibule has 2 sets of doors. They come to the front door. Those are open from 7 to 6, and then they have to ring the doorbell to get access to the second door, and then that's when we can look through the camera, make sure we know who we're letting in, and then open the door for them to enter the building. This change definitely helps because before having the vestibule, it was kind of awkward because in bad weather, parents would be stuck outside. So at least now they're able to come in out of the weather, and then with the new cameras, we can also see much more clearly who the visitor is and allow access for them to come in.
There are also some improvements to the learning process. An updated projector with a whiteboard that allows the teachers to write on the images. There's a speaker system where the teacher can wear a microphone around his or her neck that amplifies their presence in the classroom no matter where the student is sitting. Going into this project, the administration knew it was really important to use taxpayer money wisely. I think that when you get to come in and see what has changed, I think it will bring a sense of pride to our school and our community.